Dear students, in today's video, I am going to discuss about matrix. In plural form, we call it matrices. So, broadly, we are going to discuss about matrices. Actually, we have little bit conception about matrix. Recently, the heavy outbreak of COVID-19 affects all the countries around the world. Let us assume today's data of COVID-19 like this. Positive death in India, America, Japan. Suppose in India today 1099 candidate positive, in America 10,000 around, in Japan like 5 candidate. Death in India 50, America 500 and Japan 0. This is nothing but a database. You see this kind of database in spreadsheet or Excel in computer. If I take some part of this database like 1099, 50, 1000, 10,000 and 500 and enclose within bracket, within first bracket or within third bracket this form is known as matrix. I can take also all the database like 109950, 10,000, 500, 5 and 0. This is also known as matrix. Now, elements, rows and column of a matrix. Let us take another matrix like 5, 7, 9, 2, 3, 0. This matrix is formed by 6 elements 5, 7, 9, 2, 3 and 0. So these numbers, that is 5, 7, 9, 2, 3, 0, are known as element of this matrix. Now, what are called rows and what are called columns of a matrix? These elements 5, 7 and 9, if we draw a line if we draw a line through the numbers 5, 7, 9, these numbers together form a row, so we call it as a row. This is another row. Simply we call it R1. This is called R2. These two numbers, that is 5 and 2, 7 and 3, 9 and 0. These first two numbers, that is 5 and 2, makes a column. We call it simply C1. These two elements 7 and 3 makes another column. Simply we call it C2, means column 2. 9 and 0 makes another column, that is C3. So we can say matrices are made up of row and column. In the above matrix, that is in the matrix, we get 2 rows and 3 columns. 2 rows and 3 columns. So we call it 2 cross 3 matrix, or the matrix of order 2 cross 3. That is, the first number indicates the row and second number indicate the column. This is the way out of writing a matrix. Matrices may be in different form. It is not that always matrix should be 2 cross 3. Matrix may be 3 cross 3. Matrix may be 3 cross 3, 4 cross 3, 2 cross 2, 2 cross 4, and so on. But in all the cases, you have to understand the first number denotes, the first number indicates number of rows and second number indicates number of column. So 3 cross 3 means number of row is 3 and number of columns also 3. In the 4 cross 3 matrix, number of rows 4 and number of columns 3, and so on. Matrices are generally denoted by a capital letter. Like a matrix can be written as 2, minus 2, 3 and 6. So this is a 2 cross 2 matrix because there are 2 rows, first row, second row, first column and second column. Sometimes you may see a matrix is written in the form A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23. What does it mean? The first number of the suffix indicates the row and second number indicate column. So A11 is the element of the first row and first column. A12, this indicates the element of the first row and second column. 1 means first row and 2 means second column. The element 1, 3 indicates first row and third column. So 1, 3 is the element of first row, third column. Similarly, 2 indicates elements of the second row and second column. This matrix also written as Aij bracket 2 cross 3. In order to clarify the whole thing, let us take an example from exercise 1 under 3. Here a matrix is given. A matrix A 2 35 root 3 5 minus 2 1 19 5 by 2 minus 5 minus 7 12 17. A matrix is given and you have to find out the order of the matrix. As earlier I have discussed, the number of rows in this matrix, the number of rows are 1 2 and 3, and the number of columns of this matrix 1 2 3 4. Order of the matrix: 3 cross 4. Now we have to find out the number of elements of this matrix. Number of elements means how many terms, how many numbers are there. If we multiply this order 3 cross 4, then we will get the number of elements. So the number of elements are 12. 3 fours are 12. So the number of elements are 12. Now you have to write down A13 element. A13 means, as earlier I have discussed this, 13 means position row 1 and column 3. Row 1 column 3 means 19. So the 13, the element of 13 position is 19. This is row number 1 and column number 3. Element of 13 position is 19. Next, element of the position 21. 21 means second row. This is the second row, and first column, second row first column. Second row first column means 35. Next one, A24. A24 means second row. This is the second row, and fourth column means 12. Second row, fourth column means 12, and so on. Let us go through another question. This is question number 4 from NCERT book, exercise number 1 under 3. The question is, construct a 2 cross 2 matrix A equals to Aij, whose elements are given by Aij I plus j whole square by 2. Actually there are three sums given, but I am solving just one to make you understand. You do the remaining two sums yourself. How to solve it? You have to construct a 2 cross 2 matrix where Aij is given. Aij is defined by this. So there are, as the matrix is 2 cross 2 matrix, so number of elements are 4. Obviously the number of elements are 4. So Aij equal to I plus j whole square by 2. We have to find 4 terms, that is A11. A11 means first element of the first row and first column, first element of the first row and first column. Just put in place of I 1 and j 1 whole square. So it will be 4 by 2 means 2. A12, that is second element of the first row. We have to put I equals to 1 and j equals to 2. That is 9 by 2. Next, A21. A21 means first element of the second row. First element of the second row. So we put I equals to 2, j equal to 1 by 2. This is also 9 by 2. Next, A22. What does it mean? Second element of the second row. Here we put both in case of I and j 2 and 2. Sixteen by 2 means 8. So the matrix can be written as 2, 9 by 2, 9 by 2 and 8. Here are some simple home tasks. If you watch this video very carefully, I am quite sure you can do the sum yourselves. In the next video, we will discuss to the deeper level. Till then, stay at home. I wish you all the best. Thank you.